How we doing, everybody? I hope we had a great day trading today. So a lot of stocks that really been getting hammered for what seems like an eternity have really started to kind of base out. They've really started to find a little bit of a bottom, and what that's doing is creating good trading opportunities for us. So I still don't think that it's time to just load up your whole portfolio in these plays and kind of just hold and hope for the best. Could this be just a small rally before a bigger leg down? It's entirely possible. Nobody really knows though if these stocks are going higher, if that was the short-term bottom. Are we going to go lower? You know what? When you tend to look at the market that way and always try to time it, like, I got to get in right now. I need to sell right now. We're going lower. We're going into a recession. This is the bottom. Things are going to the moon. I'm going to miss out. When you start going down that rabbit hole, you can really just screw yourself up. Day by day, guys, I am a full-time day trader, so I'm not, so concerned where the market is going on a day-to-day basis, just due to the fact that I can play both sides of the market. If we do obviously go into some sort of deep dark correction that everyone is scared of and some big bear market, then I will be a seller in the market. I got to keep the lights on and pay the bills here. I got a family to support. But I mean, everybody loves when stocks are going higher, right? I mean, everyone's more happy. There's a glow in everyone's eyes. I mean, the sun starts shining. So, of course, I want to see stocks go higher. Everybody does, right? I would love to get back into a raging bull market. Small caps, Russell 2000, still below a lot of levels of supply, really been hammered. 2021, we did not do nothing for the small caps. But it kind of looks like, right? I mean, it kind of looks like there's a little bit of a reversal going on here. Could more money be flowing into these higher growth stocks, higher speculation stocks? With that taken into account, RBLX had fantastic news with the NFL. They're doing all sorts of things with the metaverse. This is a stock that really excites me going into the future. If you are excited about metaverse stocks and you are excited about what could happen, and you kind of do want to be in on the ground floor, which one of these stocks is going to be the one? We don't know. But, from a shorter term perspective, I like exactly what Roblox is doing. So if we look at what we did yesterday on the price action, we did confirm in the first daily close over the 5 and 10-day moving average. This is very, very significant because this is the first close over the 5-day moving average that we held for longer than one trading session, going all the way back here to the end of December. So we're talking about all of January and so far all of February. We have been trading underneath the 5-day moving average. If you are new to technical analysis, I would definitely recommend going to my website, evolutiontraders.com, studying my course, joining my Discord, kind of getting with other group of traders who know, technical analysis. But if you don't, I'll just give you in short. If we're trading under the 5-day moving average on the daily time frame, that's telling you right now who has control of the stock. And I'll just make it clear and simple. We're trading under, bears have control of the stock. Okay. Even though you might get a green day here, you might get ups and downs. Typically, the bears and the sellers have control of the stock. Over the 5-day moving average on the short term, I'm talking about for the next trading day, I'm talking about maybe for that trading week, the bulls have control over the stock. So yesterday, bulls reclaimed the 5 and the 10-day moving average bullish, right? So as soon as we closed over that 5 and 10-day moving average, that's kind of telling you, hey, you know what? Going into tomorrow, which is today, the 9th of February, hey, bulls, if they step up to the plate, they can really take control of this stock. And that's exactly what they did. Up 10% on the day, $6, and we closed at $70.48. Now, yes, we had news, this, that, and the other. I'm just take all that out of it. Okay. You don't need to go chasing the news. If I didn't know what was going on with Roblox, I don't know nothing about the news. I don't know nothing about the company. I'm just looking at this chart. I could tell you that, hey, yesterday going into that close, this is a potential good swing opportunity to hold this into the next day. You could have essentially bought yesterday, ridden this out all day today and made a killing. 9 points on your, or 6 points on your position, up 10%. I mean, and that's without even knowing that news was coming out. Okay. That's like, we're not talking about not even knowing anything. That's just pure technical analysis. So with that, taken into account, we are being rejected right here at supply, which is perfectly fine. You can see going back here to the 24th of January, we do have this price action, this supply here that's going to snag us up. But we also came right into the 20-day moving average. So what is that next baby step that we need to take? We need to reconfirm the 20-day moving average. We need to get over 71.35. I'm going to just draw a trend line here so you guys can see it. 71.35, we've got a clear trade to the long side. Clear trade to the long side. You notice all these lines, how they're close together? You notice all these lines? You notice all these lines up here, how they're all close and bunched together? Without actually knowing my strategy and knowing how I trade. By the way, if you want to know, go to my website, Evolution Traders. But without that, do we have a lot of room here? No. Do we have a lot of room here? No. Do we have room here? Is this room? Look like some room here for a trade? Yes, that's exactly what you want to see. Is there room here? Of course. This is over the 50-day moving average. This is when you want to get bullish. This is when you want to throw the risk on. You want to let this baby ride over. We can start getting back over 93, 94. We want to let it ride. 116 initial price target. So I'll just keep that in your notes now. Set an alert over 94, price target 116. But for the short term, for the day traders, for the swingers, for the short-term swingers, overnight guys, day by day guys, we got a clear-cut trade here, 79 to 81. Okay, I'm not saying it's going in one shot. Could take 2 days. You could get in tomorrow, chops around. You could get in, stay in. We're down a couple points. Third day, boom, we go. Okay, so I don't know when it's going to go, but what I do know is that once we confirm the supply, well, the next supply zone is up here at $82. So this is the price target from 71.72 to 81.82. We trade from supply to supply. And then if we lose the levels, from demand to demand, okay? Underneath demand, we go to the next area of demand. It's just the way the stocks trade, guys. It's just the way that they trade. Learn technical analysis. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you like the levels that I gave you, please subscribe to my channel. Also, leave me a comment, a thumbs up. I want to know what you guys think. Did you guys trade it? I missed it today. And the only reason I missed it is because I had a beautiful setup on Tesla yesterday. I took a long position in Tesla, 5 contracts of Tesla in the money, swung that market open. I was up 15 points in the money, guys. 15 points in the money on 5 Tesla contracts. Insane. I also played NVIDIA as well. Insane move. So, I was happy. You have to know also as a trader, as good as something looks, that if you are profitable and you're happy with it, then, don't force it. I don't need to go chasing every single stock, but tomorrow's a new day. And that day, tomorrow, the new day creates new opportunities. And Roblox is a fantastic opportunity for tomorrow's session. I will see you guys all in the next one. Take care.